Hey, this is Katie Murphy-Balkwell with my bestie, Regina Public Library. If you have a dream and a library card, you can make your own magic, just like me. This Halloween, I decided to use all the amazing library services we offer to transform myself into the Disney villain, Maleficent. We hope you get inspired. The design for my costume and makeup was based off illustrations from Learn to Draw Disney Villains in our children's collection. And the books that I found helpful were Theatrical Design and Production by Gillette J. Michael and Fun Face Painting Ideas for Kids by Brian and Nick Wolf. It's good nerdy fun to wander the stacks to find ideas. But you can also get books, comics, and movies with library streaming services like Library to Go and Hoopla from a computer or device anywhere. We also used lynda.com video tutorials to learn about costume design and video production from industry professionals. You can access Lynda with your library card from anywhere. For proper film quality lighting, we used publicly available equipment in our spectacular digital media studio. The media studio has all kinds of equipment for film and music production right here in our central branch.
Godzilla, King Kong, Loch Ness, Goblin, Ghoul, a zombie with no conscience. Question, what do these things all have in common? Everybody knows I'm a monster. Everybody knows I'm a monster.
In fact, our marketing and communications administrator, Devin Pachalik, edited this video using the software After Effects in our media studio. That program is part of the Adobe Creative Suite, which is a powerful tool for adding that movie magic in the final video that you're watching. Of course, every great film needs great music. Our resident digital media studio specialist, Jon Neher, created this original soundtrack, which he dubbed WITCHO Mode, with a program called Ableton Live 10. If you want to learn how to make music, you can use services like ArtistWorks for libraries for full online lessons, and you can borrow instruments to practice at home. If you have something to record, come on in to lay it down in our fully equipped Whisper Room, where I recorded this voiceover. To make the Maleficent horns for my costume, we 3D printed them using library services. What? 3D modeling software like Blender was used in the digital media studio to create a print-ready file. The full print took roughly 48 hours to complete and ran overnight at the library. "3D printing is a really useful thing to learn to create anything you can dream up. Lessons on how to do it are available through lynda.com. Once the horns were made, we just attached them to a homemade duct tape helmet to fit my head. Having a green screen is really useful to put you into different worlds using computer programs afterwards. Guess what? We have one at the library. Create your own magic by seeing what's available at Regina Public Library for you. Oh. Click the link below to access the tools mentioned in this video with your library card. Happy Halloween from Regina Public Library.